How to create an account on Fiverr. So first you want to open up your browser and head to fiverr.com, and there's going to be a link in the description as well if you want to use that to sign up for a new account. Now you want to click on join here, and then you can continue with a Google account, or you can continue with a manual email that you want to use to sign up. So I'm going to choose a Google account, and then select the Google account that you want to use and click on continue, and it should prompt you to enter a username. So for example, I'm going to put my username right here and click on create account. Now you should be redirected to this page. You want to click on go to Fiverr at the top right here, and it should take you to Fiverr. Now you should be asked to pick from one of these. So pick I am client if you want to hire people to do services for you, or pick I am freelancer if you are looking to be hired and make money on Fiverr. So in this case, I'm going to click on I am freelancer, looking to offer my services. Click on next, and then click on complete your freelancer account. Then click on continue, and you should be asked to fill out your personal informations. So after entering your first and last name, which are not going to be publicly displayed, you want to enter a display name that people can see, a profile picture, and then you want to describe yourself, your work experience, your projects and areas of expertise and stuff like that. It's a minimum of 150 characters, a maximum of 600. Then you want to pick the languages you speak and your level from basic to fluent or native / bilingual, and you want to click on continue. Now after clicking continue, you should fill out the professional information, such as your occupation and what you do. So for example, digital marketing, programming, video and animation, stuff like that. And then you should be able to select 2 to 5 of your best skills under that category. So for example, AI artist, illustration, graphics for streamers, game art, app design, stuff like that. And then you want to fill out your skills and experience level from beginner to expert. So you can type your skills such as design and pick from the suggested options right here. And then click on add to edit. Now you want to select your education, where you studied, and for example the country and the university by name, and then the title and the major and the year. You can also search the major by name and pick the university name and click on add. Now scroll down to certifications if you have any, and type the certification name and the software or the company that gave the certification, such as Adobe or Google, stuff like that. And then the year when you got this. Click on add as well. And then if you have a personal website, you can provide the link to your own professional website, and this is going to be private, not shared with people. And then you want to click on continue. After filling out the year, of course, you should fill out the year of your occupation as well. I want to come back here and click continue, and now you should be prompted to verify your email address if you haven't already, and also add a phone number and verify it. Both of these are going to be private right here and not shared with the public. Click on add phone number, pick your country, and then enter the phone number, and then click on verify whether by SMS or by call to receive a code, and enter it right here to verify your phone. And once you press continue, you should be now a seller or a freelancer on Fiverr, where you can start creating your gigs of your services that you want to offer. So you will basically describe briefly, I will do digital marketing or whatever service you're offering. Select the category and whatever subcategory of the service that you want to offer, and then select the industry, the type, and fill out all of these information, the tags when people look you up, and then the pricing of your service. So you want to offer different packs. So for example, 3 packs on Fiverr by default, I think. As you can see on the pricing page and scope, you can define 3 packages by default. Give it a name, a description, delivery time, and basically topics and stuff like that, and the price, as well as images and additional submissions, extra fast delivery for extra payment, and stuff like that. Revisions as well for extra payment. Now you want to click on save and continue and move to the description of the gig, which is a long description, and then the requirements, whether you want to ask questions or questions the client has to answer before placing an order, as well as filling the gallery with images of your service, such as photos if you do graphic design or stuff like that. And then you should simply publish the gig and should become available and public to the clients to see when they search for services in your category. And then they should message you about the offer and potentially negotiate with you on a price. And then you can start working, and that's pretty much it. Again, if you do not have an account already, there is a link in the description below which you can use to sign up for a new account on Fiverr. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.